23.
Time to have some fun.
How much scrap do you have?
55.
I have 50. Wait, so that would be 10. So that would be 21.
Yes! Me watching this. Indescribable amount of joy has flooded my body.
Just did one ult. Time for him to not exist anymore.
Oh crap.
What do you mean, oh crap, bro?
My frame rate, not the bosses.
Yeah, I was wondering about that. Bro, at this point, I don't even care, man.
The healing, bro. The healing. Oh my god. Dude, I've actually gotten the craziest stuff on operator. I'm gonna go. Wait, should I get Shrine of Mountain, or is that too much?
If you want to. Bro, there's
Yeah.
3 Shrines of Blood.
Yeah, I've been using some of them. Yo, bro, operator's actually cracked. Holy, bro.
Ooh.
Oh my god.